And then we go for the lemma 2. That is, let expectation of yij equal to mu plus alpha I plus beta j, where I from 1 to v, j from 1 to b, be a BABD design. Then linear parametric function lambda dash theta equal to a mu plus summation I 1 to v ci alpha I plus summation j 1 to b dj beta j is estimable if and only if a equal to iv c equal to ib d. Here c is not a C matrix, okay? Here C is a coefficient matrix. That is small c equal to C1, C2, so on, CV of order V cross 1. And also here this T is a B cross 1 matrix. D1, D2, so on, DB. And here theta equal to mu alpha 1, alpha 2, so on, alpha V, beta 1, beta 2, so on, beta B. And lambda equal to, lambda is all coefficient. That is A, C1, C2, so on, CV, D1, D2, so on, DB. Here we have to prove that let expectation of Yij is a BABD design. Then linear parametric function lambda dash theta is estimable if and only if A equal to E1V, C equal to I1B, D. Okay, we know that BABD is, the proof is, we know that BD is a connected design. BABD is a connected design, right? Therefore, the rank of the model, therefore, the rank of the model is S equal to B plus rank of C, right? Here, B plus rank of C of BABD design is V minus 1. B minus 1, which is equal to rank of A transpose A, right? And we know that lambda dash theta linear parametric function is estimable if and only if rank of A transpose A equal to rank of A transpose A lambda, right? Lambda dash theta is estimable if and only if rank of A equal to rank of A transpose A comma lambda. In this case, lambda dash theta, which is equal to A mu plus summation I 1 to V Ci alpha I plus summation j 1 to B dj beta j is estimable if and only if rank of A transpose A lambda equal to B plus V minus 1. So here the sufficiency is suppose A equal to summation I 1 to V Ci equal to summation j 1 to B dj. This term is same as A equal to E1V C equal to, this is E1B B, right? We can write these term as this type. A equal to summation I 1 to V Ci equal to summation j 1 to B dj. And here observe that rank of A transpose A lambda is greater than equal to rank of A transpose A. Here we know that rank of A transpose A is B plus B minus 1. And now what is matrix of A transpose A lambda? We know that A transpose A equal to n. Here this is VR, right? VR equal to n. So we can write n here. N into n, and second value is E1V. R third value is E1B K. And here second row R E1V R N. The last row K EB1 N transpose and K. Here also lambda, right? The lambda value is A C D. Here pre-multiply. Here pre-multiply the second row of the above matrix by E1V. Then we can get, so here pre-multiply second row by E1V. That is E1V into R E1, and the second value pre-multiply E1V, right? The second value is E1V into R. The third value E1V into N, and the fourth value E1V into C, right? Then it implies here this term is V into R, right? E1V into EV1 equal to V, right? So we can write V is R, which is equal to N. We know that V into R equal to small n, right? Then here EV1 into R, right? The third value we know that E1V N, which is equal to E1B K. These are same, right? Then we can write here E1B K, and this value E1 E C, which is equal to E1V C equal to, that is E1V means is a unit vector of order V, right? And C. So multiply, that is summation I1 to V Ci is equal to A. So here this value is A. This value we can write it as N, and the same value here this is equal to this value, and here this is A. That is summation I1 to V Ci equal to A. So this is also equal to the first row of A transpose lambda, right? This is same, right? N E1VR E1R E1BK E1BK and A here and A. So it's also equal to first row of A transpose A lambda. Therefore, two rows of A transpose A lambda are dependent. Hence, we can say that rank of A transpose A, rank of A transpose A lambda, this is of order A transpose A of order V plus B plus 1 cross V plus 1. Rank of A transpose A, comma lambda, which is less than or equal to B plus B plus 1 minus 2, which is equal to V plus B minus 1. That is, rank of A transpose A, lambda is less than or equal to V plus B minus 1. Equation 2. Hence, rank of A transpose A lambda equal to B plus B minus 1 is also equal to rank of A transpose A, right? So we know that a necessary and sufficient condition for estimability of lambda dash theta is rank of A transpose A lambda is equal to rank of A transpose A, right? So here, necessary and sufficient condition for estimability of lambda dash theta is satisfied. Hence, lambda dash theta is estimable. Lambda dash theta is estimable. The next necessary part, necessity. That is, let lambda dash theta is estimable, which implies that rank of A transpose A lambda is equal to rank of A transpose A. So there exists a vector T, that is T equal to T naught TV TB. There exists a vector T is equal to T naught TV TB, which is not equal to 0, such that A transpose A T equal to lambda. That is, what is A transpose A matrix? N E 1V R E 1B K R E V1 R N K E B1 and transpose K, and T is T naught TV TB, right, is equal to lambda. Lambda means A C D. Lambda is A C D, right? That is, we can write it as equation form. N into T naught. The first equation is N into T naught plus E1V R into TV. E1V R into TV plus E1B K into TB, which is equal to A. Equation 4. And next row, R E V1 into T naught plus R TV plus N TB equal to C. Fifth equation. And the last row, K E B1 into T naught plus N transpose TV plus K into TB equal to D. Equation 6. So this is the fourth equation, fifth, sixth, right? Then pre-multiply this fifth equation by EV1. Pre-multiply first equation by EV1. pre-multiply fifth equation by E1V. Then we can get, what is fifth equation? Multiply by 1 IV. That is E1V into REV1 T0 plus E1V into RTV plus E1V into NTB is equal to E1V into C. Equation 7. Equation 7. Here we know that this is N, right? N T0 plus here this value E1V R TV plus the third value. Here we know that this is E1B K, TB equal to, this is A, right? E1B C. This is equation 7. So here LHS of equation 7 is same as LHS of equation 4, right? So we get E1VC equal to A. That is summation I1 to VCI equal to A. Here LHS of equation 7 is same as LHS of equation 4, right? Then E1 RHS are same, right? That is E1VC equal to A. That is summation I1 to VCI equal to A. Similarly, pre-multiply the last sixth equation. Pre-multiply sixth equation by E1B and compare the equation. Then compare the resulting equation with equation 4. Then you can get E1B D equal to A. Hence, that implies that summation J1 to B dj equal to A. Hence, whenever lambda dash theta, that is linear parametric function, is estimable, then A equal to summation I1 to VCI equal to summation J1 to B dj. Whenever lambda dash theta is estimable, then A equal to E1B C equal to E1B D. Hence the proof.